Hello, in this problem we're gonna make this arc using the given information, and we're gonna find out the length of the arc. So let's get it started. First, we're gonna click the circle tool. Make sure that center radius option is the one that you're using. So you can click on that little down arrow right below this circle tool, and you can click center radius. Click anywhere on the screen and use the given radius. The radius value is given as 4. So type 4, press enter. Now turn ortho on. Ortho is right here. Alternatively, you can press F8 from your keyboard. And then also we're going to go to that object snap icon. It's also called snap cursor to 2D reference points, and make sure this is on. It's currently on my computer. And then go to that little down arrow and make sure that center option is checked. So on my computer it is already checked. Okay, now click on the line tool and look for the center point. Now if the center does not show on your screen, you may have to move around the circumference of your circle, and then the center point is going to be visible. So click on the center point and move up past this circle, and then click anywhere on the screen. Right click, cancel. Now we're going to rotate it about the center of this, rotate this line about the center point of this circle. So click that line, press enter, click the lower end of this line or the center point of the circle, and we're gonna rotate it by half of the given angle. So that given angle is 60 degree, so we're gonna rotate it by 30 degree to the left. So if we rotate it to the left, then that rotation is going to be counterclockwise. So for counterclockwise rotation, you do not need to put any negative sign. So we're going to simply type half of that 60, which is 30, press enter. I'm going to draw another line, another vertical line. Start from the same center point of the circle. Click that center point, move up past this circle, and click anywhere on the screen. Right click, cancel. So now this time I'm going to rotate this line about the center point of the circle to the right. That means in the clockwise direction. So for the clockwise direction you have to put a negative sign. So again I'm going to rotate it by 30 degree. 30 is half of 60. So click on the rotate tool, click that line tool, press enter, click the lower end point of the line or the center of the circle, same thing. So click it and then type negative 30. Again it's negative because we're rotating it in the clockwise direction. Now use the trim tool. Click trim, click that portion of the arc, and then you can press enter to cancel from the trim tool, and simply select these two lines and press delete from the keyboard to erase them. Now click that arc, right click, and then left click on properties and look for the length. So arc length is shown as 20.944.